Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. Hey, so I'm back again guys with another reaction video to the group Just Be, and this is their song. This is a music video to their song Damage. So I can't wait to see what it is. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. These recommendations, you guys have me. I can breathe, I ain't got nobody. Show me what you got. 점점 미쳐 돌아가 10m 끝까지 차오는 시간 빛이 사라져가고 있다는 걸 알아. 더 크게 소리쳐 독처럼 번져가. Oh, the red hair blue pill. Okay. Ooh. Oh. You can bring me down. 그 고통 속에 녹는 더 따라와. Let's get away. 빠져나와 그 손을 잡아. You should never give up. 악몽 같은 이 damage. Yay. 악몽 같은 damage. 절대로 물러서지 마. 악몽 같은 damage. 깊은 panic. 더 이상 머무르지 않게. They show me down, they show me down. 무너지지 않아. 틀에 박힌 생각은 멈추질 않아. 네 머릿속에 편견을 부셔낼 거야. 대체 뭐가 문제야. 모두가 전부 다 외치는 거야. 그 누구도 너를 대신할 수 없어. 더 크게 소리쳐 독처럼 번져가는 어둠 속 세상에 나를 던져. Hey. I love them in all red. You should never give up. Stop the damage. Stop the damage. So they chose the red pill. The damage? Oh. Love the choreo.
It's an important time to save. With
okay. Okay, Just Be. That was Just Be. Damage. Okay. Music video to this song is very cute. Love the different wardrobe that they give us. Very good looking men. Love the choreo. Love the choreo. Love the choreo. Just Be. I need to keep you guys on my list. I really do need to keep you guys on my list. I really do need to keep them on my list. This is my first time ever reacting to this group. I've never heard of them before, so thanks to the person who recommended me. I really did enjoy that video. It was really cute. It was really cute. I love that dance choreo. Love it. And it looks so good in red. Love it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can the you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.